Poly play. This is how nursing goes.
So I'm like theory is the relationship between concept. But she's like, no, you can't use concept in the definition. What?
No, you're not supposed to use theory in the definition of theory.
Yeah.
You're allowed to use concept because
Cultural awareness, let's go.
Tolerant and unjudgmental of
What? What? Tell me. Tell me what. Tell me.
Oh my god.
Baller.
Baller status! Oh!
What is this?
2B?
Billy, say something to the camera.
She hungry.
She's vlogging.
Hi Tim, if you can see this, we're eating brunch now.
So yeah, we're having brunch at Oakham.
What do you say?
I was like, oh, I forgot he was.
This is Victoria.
Buddy, do you want to come to brunch?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
This is basically what we do on Thursdays when we can. And yeah. One thing that I find entertaining every time we come here is the fact that Riddy really loves to organize
The sugars. Oh wait, the jam didn't come yet, but once that comes, she'll be
Yeah.
organizing that as well.
Like, look.
SMD, please.
Look at this. So entertaining. Okay, she's gotten even to the extent that she needed to take the other table with sugar.
It's the same friggin'.
Organizing theirs too?
I know, right?
I thought it was organized like by color.
No, that's not good enough.
Yo, bus food.
Wait, why don't you bake it?
I don't like bacon.
Yo, have some
Why'd you get bacon?
I'll take your bacon. I'll take
Why
your
don't you get
bacon.
sausage? I'll take bacon.
Yeah.
He had to let her share. There, share.
So we all got our
Wait, why'd you get sausage then?
Yeah.
I don't like sausage.
Like laundry.
It was like
Electronic.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, my dad doesn't do all this.
Literally demolished food.
I feel like that'd be weird.
How much did you pay for them, Billy?
Yeah, how much did you pay for this?
$26.
What a loser.
But they're $10.
What a loser.
Wagwan. Wagwan.
Stop.
What's gone in the mind?
Just stop.
Everything I've given you guys.
Welch's.
Giving you everything.
Great Welch's.
Great Welch's.
Great
I'm giving you
Welch's.
everything. And this is what how you repay me?
Do you want a bite? Do you want a bite?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not,
Yes, ma'am.
just kidding.
Even know it.
Okay, okay, this is the one thing that I don't understand. They have hoodies for all of the other
Oh, say a word.
programs, but they don't have it for nursing.
No, they do.
Where?
don't know, I've
Please
seen it.
show me. And why is fashion in pink? Like it's
No, I saw
I have my other.
they're starting the Christmas tree setup.
I'm so excited.
Remember when we the first time? Oh my god. Losers. Losers.
When you said you needed space.
Embarrassing. Embarrassing.
come around and say,
Baby.
Really? Michael, let's just walk. Yeah, what's up, guys? Having my Starbucks during happy hour. I'm with Gavin. And we're just chilling.
I'll go at like 3:45.
Why, do you have work today?
No, I have to go study.
I don't. You know why? Because my week's over. My hell week is over, at least.
I don't have a help week.
You know why? Because you're not in nursing.
You know, urban planning, we actually have no like tests.
It's the life of lucky people.
Any of you from Scarborough? You already know what's up. True cuts.
I was like going in this area because of how stupid some of the cars are. Look,
Four-year-old.
look at this.
That's
Look at
so
this.
cute.
You're a winner. You're a winner. Woo! So stupid. This is so cute. What is that? What is that? Wait, I have no words. We have finally entered urban ratchet. Guys, guess where we are? We're in the Disney store. Grace, you need to get me this.
Okay. Your birthday present.
It's Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
This is the cutest thing ever. Look, no scowling allowed. Oh,
This is how you're supposed to die.
what? You're having too much fun with this.